Hello everyone, today I'll be sharing a very useful video for those of you who are tired of constantly charging your smartphone, phone, or tablet. After these settings, your Android phone will last a really long time. I'll tell you about the main battery issues. Why does the battery drain so quickly? Sometimes you buy a new phone, it holds its charge very well, but after about 2 to 3 months, you start to notice that the phone doesn't last the rest of the day. For example, you wake up in the morning with a 100% charge, go to work or drive somewhere, and by the evening the charge is still at 15 to 20%. So, the phone lasts for about 8 hours. Even though the phone isn't under maximum load, we'll return to our default settings. Now scroll down to find the location section. Here it is. But there's another setting called geolocation. We go here and up when Wi-Fi and Bluetooth are always on. This also drains your battery significantly. Watch the Wi-Fi network scan. I turn it on and allow the Misvis app to search for Wi-Fi networks, even when Wi-Fi is off. But imagine, everyone has a phone. Now, wherever you go, there are stores, shopping malls, and various establishments. Wi-Fi hotspots are everywhere. Almost every phone has Wi-Fi. And as you walk down the street, your phone is constantly scanning for all these devices via Wi-Fi. Yes, they are constantly being found. All this changes on your phone, but you don't even notice it because you don't go into those settings. And this constant, pointless search also drains your battery. In any case, all these found networks usually have passwords. And if you need to connect to a Wi-Fi network, as we usually do, you just go to the Wi-Fi settings, enable manual search, and find the desired network. But this setting is completely useless. We turn it off, go back along the arrow, and look for the Bluetooth device. The same is written here. Even when Bluetooth is off, it still works. There it is, turned off. Now let's look at Bluetooth in general. Well, almost everyone has it turned on these days because many people use wireless headphones, and Bluetooth is on by default, so it should be on. But this applies not only to headphones. Some people have wireless watches, some have wireless bracelets. While Wi-Fi is a bit of a moot point, the situation with Bluetooth is even worse. So, we'll take that feature and turn it off too.